Yo guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm shooting this video a bit late because of energy issues. Hakukuwa na dhitima. So we are going to go direct to the market. I mean Bitcoin trades. Bitcoin broke out of this level of buyers, which means that sellers are in control. It has given us a retracement 50% Fibonacci retracement zone and has tapped into the 0.786 zone. So I know that in the next few minutes we might see that is a bearish pin bar, the same thing that happened here. We might see here, we might see a bearish push to the downside, address an extremely powerful bearish move to the downside. We want to extend this long position. I think today is the day that I'm going to hit TP because we have news. I've heard that we have news. I've heard rumors of news. I think it's CPI. What time is the news coming out? News inatokea saa ngapi? 4:30. So yeah, so we might see price fluctuating a little bit. I think price is going to react this way. You see this, the way it behaved here. I think it's the same way price is going to behave. I think we might see price pushing to here, around here. Then we might see a bearish push to the downside. We might see something like this. Then a powerful bearish push to the downside. So I know that today we are going to hit TP. I just pray that CPI will push price extremely down because I'm in a trade and and it's a challenge account, and if it doesn't do that, I'm going to be in a bad spot. We have gold. So what gold is in a no trade zone. Gold gave us a low. We have a low at this area. This is a low. This is a level of buyers. The reason why this low is important, it's because these buyers managed to stop price after it pushed down. So this is a very significant level. I feel like putting the candlestick. No, this is a invalid candlestick. So that I'm going to put a horizontal ray around there. So we want to see if price can give us an indication beneath this level, correction and continuation. This is not an A setup, nor is it an A++ setup because it is in a no trade zone, but it might be a good setup. This is a trade where you want to risk around 1%. This is not a trade that you want to risk heavy like 10% or 25%. Yeah, so that's gold, but I still have bullish bias over gold. Let's see, let's do some news analysis. By the way, let's do some analysis. Let's see what news is saying. So previous 2.6, forecast 2.5. That is a drop in USD. If USD drops, gold pushes up, which means that gold is going to be bullish, to be sincere. I'm expecting gold to be, this is a low high. Let's draw the Fibonacci retracement. Let's see, Jesus. Yeah, price has tapped into the 50% Fibonacci retracement range. So I am still bullish on gold, not unless gold does something else. If gold starts selling, no problem. I just don't want to execute any trade between these two areas. I'll just be monitoring price to see if I can capitalize on a move above 550.76.93. Yeah, this is a Nasdaq trade. My friend is in this trade. This is an extremely good trade. And now that we see that USD is dropping, Nasdaq is going to automatically drop. We're going to see a drop in NAS, a very drastic drop to 24006. No explanation. Yesterday I was talking about executing sales on silver, but as you can see, silver has retested this area of sellers, of buyers, and you are seeing a bullish push, which means that this is a very powerful level, 74. So I'm still waiting. If silver makes a lower high, what do I mean? If silver, the way it has pushed, if it gives us a lower high, and then we start seeing silver dropping, we can consider executing fucking sales to 67. So yeah, that is my trade analysis today. I don't have anything else. I think we're done for today's analysis. I'm just keen on monitoring Bitcoin. I don't want any problems with this funded account. I really need to maintain it. So if by any chance Bitcoin retraces a lot, because bro, I don't like speaking against. I've had multiple payouts from funding pips, but to be sincere, this rule of them putting starting equities is extremely bad. It's a bad rule. It's a bad principle. and that's why people are shifting to FTMO. It's an extremely bad rule. Now you have to monitor so that you don't price doesn't move beneath the starting equity. FTMO, you just execute trades just as long as you don't go beneath 10,000 USD. Or what am I saying? You don't go beneath 90,000 USD, you are great. But these funding peeps are doing, and they applied this rule this year, 2026, or if I'm not wrong, or I'm ignorant. So have a good day, guys.